Hey, what's up, buddy? I am Krik Guru and I welcome you all to my new YouTube channel where a tournament is going to held India versus Australia 2020. Three ODIs, three T20s, and four tests. A very exciting match with lots of up and down, and the players are also very good from Ajinkya Rahane to Yuzvendra Chahal, and from Australia team Aaron Finch to Will Pucosky, a very new player, Will Pucosky, I hope, and he is selected only for test. So what is this video is all about? It is about our Cricket Guru Excel sheets. Now, what made me this that Cricket Guru Excel sheet? Because I wanted all the cricket scores, all the squads, all the fixtures in my own hand. I did not want to search on the website. I wanted to make that. And being a very good big cricket fan, I did that. And for those who are commentators, who are cricket players, who are cricket fans, and those who play Dream 11 or fantasy game, this cricket Excel sheet will be handy for them. And we are selling it. We are selling it for rupees 9 only, and you can visit our store and you can buy that only for rupees 9. And the amount of time which we have invested, that for that only we are asking only rupees 9. So let us start first with fixtures. India versus Australia 2020. It will start from 27th November. Every alternate days the match will start. The timing will be 9:10 a.m. for ODIs. For T20s the timing will be 1:40 p.m. in Indian timing. This is in the morning. This is in afternoon, and then again in the morning, early morning, 9:30 a.m., 5 a.m., 5 a.m., and 5:30 a.m. Local timings are given here in this column. Now the three ODIs, three T20s, and four tests. Now in this fixture says what happens that for every match will be held in Sydney Cricket Ground, but I want to know what how the Sydney Cricket Ground pitch is like. So what I have to do, I have to Google Sydney Cricket Ground and something will appear, and then I have to click. What we have done in this cricket Excel sheet only for rupees 9, that you just click on this. Obviously we have created a link. Those who know Excel, they will know how I have made that. Sydney Cricket Ground, and also or formerly known as SCG, Sydney Cricket Ground. The first test, first ODI, last ODI, first T20, last T20, every detail is being given here. So you need, if you are playing fantasy game, you need these kinds of information. So for everything, this information for every the venue where it will be played, the link has been given here. You just have to click it. And also, like first ODI match, you just click that and you will come to my sheet only, this match 1 ODI, where we will be recording all our scores and playing 11. Again I come to that, again fixtures, I will click it here. Again I come to the fixtures, and in fixtures what you are seeing here, that after the completion of match, what are the results, this will appear here. What is the India score, Australia score, who was the winner, and in the test, first inning score, second inning score, first inning score, second inning score, everything will be appearing here. Who won the toss, opted to bat or ball, or winner was either India or Australia, that will appear here. So in this fixture match, you not only are able to see what is the date, timing, and venue of the matches, but also who is the winner or who is the loser of the matches. That also will be appearing in due course of time, as and when you are entering the scores in the sheet. Now come to the squads. What we have done, like India, if you see the squad, there are total 30. If I see, there are total how many players? The total 29 players, out of which there are some of in ODI, some are playing T20, some are playing test. And there are players who are playing all the three, like Lokesh Rahul, L Rahul. He is playing all the three formats of the game, ODI, T20 and test. And similarly, if you see in Australia, there are Aaron Finch, Adam Jampa, like Cameron Green, he is playing all the formats of the match. So what we have done, if I want to see the particular ODI squad only, what I have to do, I have to select Y from the drop down menu, and I am able to see Hardik Pandya, Jasprit Bumrah, and they are all alphabetically arranged. Indian squad and Australian squad. Similarly, T20 squad, I have to just select Y and T20 squad separately will appear. If I want to see who are the player who are playing all the three formats, then I will select all Y. So from India, Jasprit Bumrah, Lokesh Rahul, Mayank Agarwal, Mohammad Shami, Navdeep Sami, Ravindra Jadeja, Virat Kohli are playing all the three formats. Similarly, from Australia, Cameron Green, David Warner, Joe Burns, Marcus Stoinis, Marnus Labuschagne, Mikel Nisar, Nathan Lyon, Pat Cummins, and Shane Abbott. All they are playing all the three formats. Now let us come to one thing which we have done, which is very interesting also. Like Ajinkya Rahane is a batsman. So if you see in the Dream 11, you can from drop down menu you can select either he is in bat, all rounder or bowler. You can select that. Similarly, if you see Deepak Chahar is a bowler, but he is a pacer or spinner for that, and he is a fast pacer or medium pacer. So for that, we have just written it here. You can from drop down menu you can select ball pacer. And if I want to know more about Deepak Chahar, then I have to just click the link of Deepak Chahar, and Deepak Lokandar Singh Chahar, born in Agra, Uttar Pradesh, 7th August 1992, age and year, major teams, also known as Deepak Chahar, playing role is bowler, right-handed bat and right arm medium. So, and these are his all past details. So this sheet does more than what you can imagine. And if you see the any like Will Pucovski, he's the first time he has been selected in Australian squad, that too for test match. And he's a very young, only of 22 years, and he was selected from under 19. Top order batsman, right hand bats, and first class cricket list A. So he will be playing, I think, for the first time international cricket. For the first time international cricket. So this is the player to watch out for, and everything is given here. So you need not just search in the internet and to know about every player. You just have to click the link, and this sheet you can buy. This sheet you can buy for only ₹9. I will show you how to buy it. The description is given in our YouTube description. That store name is given. The store name is crickguru.stores.instamojo.com, and this is the sheet India Tour to Australia ODI T20 and Test. You just have to click it here, and it will cost you only ₹9. It will cost you only ₹9. You just have to pay, and the download button will appear, and you can buy it. And this is the Hindi video. The video which we are recording right now is a English video. You also please you request you to join our Telegram channel, and these are the all squads details. Now come again to the sheet. So this is the sheet. It will work, and what will happen as and when the play progresses, the players who have been selected for ODI, the number will be appearing here. Total runs made by each player, total wickets taken by each player in ODI format, T20 format and Test format. It will be start appearing here. So the every scores are interrelated, and will be able to analyze which player has scored the highest or lowest, which is the most wicket takers, everything like that we will be able to analyze. Now let us come to now match 1. Now suppose what happens, match 1, toss takes place. Who won the toss? Suppose India won the toss and it opted for bat. You just from the drop down menu you select bat. Now as soon as you do that, India will appear, the first batting team will appear here, the second batting team will be the chasing team will be appear here. Now if I do it bowling, then obviously it will, the first batting team will be Australia and the chasing team will be India. From the drop down menu I have to select all the players like Adam Jampa, all the playing 11s. Obviously the playing 11s are announced as per the batting order, and this will be started selecting. As soon as we start selecting, the role which is given here, which you have selected it here by clicking the drop down menu, it starts appearing here also. Similarly India, Cheteshwar Pujara, those who are in playing 11 announced, you will be selecting here in this way. Now as you do this, what happens, that it will, these players name will also appear here, and you start recording the number of runs they have done, the balls they have played, that kind of thing which you will be recording it here, correct? And the number of wickets they have taken, you start recording here. Similarly, Cheteshwar Pujara, he has made 50, 12, 50 in this way, and the number of wickets they have taken here. So every recording will be done here. As soon as match is done, then the scores will automatically appear here. 38 wickets, India 6 wickets, 112, and you, from the drop down menu, you can select who is the winner. Suppose India is the winner, and who is the highest top runner of Australia team, top runner of India team, top wicket takers of Australia, because we have not selected any name here, therefore it is not appearing, but the name will appear. Suppose I delete it from here and I put it here, and I delete it from here and I put it, suppose, here. So the name will appear here also. Top run makers of India, top wicket takers of India. And batting order announced, batting order played, this also gets appear here. Now this was the match 1 detail. Now if I come to match 2, similarly I will be doing same. Who wants the match? Australia opted for bat. Again we'll be doing this. Select the player. All are alphabetically arranged, therefore you can easily find out which are the player which are playing. And from the drop down menu you have to select all the players. I'm just randomly selecting the player's name. They will appear. Again you will be entering the all the scores detail. Extras, if there is any extra run, you will be entering here also. And again 60, 60, 60, 2, 2, 2, and this is the, again India is the winner. This will be doing. So every detail will be entering, and what and how Dream 11 ODI will be, it, this sheet works is this. Now suppose this is the match 1. You are making match 1 Dream 11 team. You can now match 1 Dream 11 team will be depending upon the past performance of that team. If you go to the fixtures and you select this India, if you click this India, then Indian cricket team, every news about Indian cricket team, their fixtures appears here. And if you want to see all the past records between the last match India played, this also appear here. This is a wonderful site, espncricinfo.com. You can everything you can see that IPL performance you can also see in this website also. So what happens? Let us come to Dream 11. This is the match 1, but suppose match 2 happens. You are in match 2. As soon as you come to match 2, what will happen? That match 1 detail will appear here, and match 1 there is no, James Pattison did not play match 1, Josh Hazlewood did not play match 1, Sheen Abbott did not play match 1. Now what if they had played match 1? I suppose what I will do, Adamba Jampa, Alex Carey, Adamba Jampa. I will select Adamba Jampa. Adam Jampa. Now I've selected Adam Jampa. The match 1 record is here. Match 1 past performance of Adam Jampa is here. So I can know which player performed very well in last match. And with this, I will also be able to know which players are in the form. Now suppose I select match 3. Match 3 again, if I select match 3, again I have to, what I have to do? I have to, India opted for bat. I will be selecting India all player, Cheteshwar Pujara and Ajinkya Rahane. Suppose in Australia I again selected Adam Jampa, Travis Head and Travis Head, ball spinner. So in again if I see this, all players name, their role appears, they are bowler, spinner, pacer, everything will appear, and past performance also appears here. So if I see in match 3, In match 3, Cheteshwar Pujara is playing, and in match 1 he scored 50, and he did not play in match 2 and he is playing in match 3. So this is blank, it means he did not play in match 2. So this is the way the all the past performance record will appear here. So you are able to uh, correctly analyze and correctly select the right player for your dream 11. And when all these matches gets over, there is a all scores ODI where you are able to see that first ODI result Australia, India, second ODI result Australia, India, because they were first batting, and this is third ODI, India is first batting, Australia is second batting. Now what happens here, that every player's scores is entered here. From the drop down menu I can search who scored, which player out of all the matches, which player scored more than 50, which player scored more, took more than 5 wickets or at least 5 wickets in any given match. Strike rate, I can select from here strike rate. So who has strike rate of 200, yeah, more than 200, I can do that. So this is the kind of analysis the sheet will be doing. Also, what is the top order, middle order, lower order batsman records. So if you are seeing that top order is making all the runs, middle order and lower order is not making the runs, then you don't select in Dream 11. Similarly, which are the pacer is taking more wicket or spinners are taking more wicket, so you can select on that basis also. So this is the all the analysis which we are doing, and this same ODI analysis which we have done will be doing for match T20 matches. T20 first match, second match, third match. Every detail is coming here. Dream 11 T20 and all scores T20. फिर match 1 test, first test India Australia, again you will be selecting the India opted for ball. From drop down menu you will select the players playing 11. Australia first inning, India first inning. Here from we do not know Australia will be playing the second inning or follow-on gets, then India will be playing the second inning. Therefore you from the drop down menu you have to select in this way. Again Australia first inning, India first inning, India second inning, this, and the match who wants the match or draw. Draw इसमें बहुत होता है, so there is a chances of possibility of match getting draw. Therefore this detail also. So all the 4 test matches details, match sheet is there, you have to just fill it. Dream 11 test. Again all the 4 matches details, the past players performance will be appearing here. The whatever number you enter, it will depends, number 2, number 3, like that. All scores test, again top order, middle, same kind of sheet, this will be there. So this is the sheet which we have made for you. I hope you like it and you will subscribe our channel to show your excitement and support to us. And it was very nice recording this video, and we are recording the video in English and Hindi both. And look what is happening in the fixture sheet. When the match getting over, every detail is coming here. So by seeing the sheet, you are able to see the complete picture what happened in India versus Australia. So the scores, highlights and everything is given in the website. It is available in the website, but not in the manner which you are seeing in this Excel sheets. And we are asking not much, only ₹9. I hope you don't mind paying ₹9. This will be an investment for you. And if you are a cricket player, Dream 11 player, actual cricket player, you are a commentator, you are making a YouTube video, you are doing analysis, therefore you will need this cricket Excel sheet. We have done a lot of hard work for making this, so you can understand. So thank you so much, and please do join our Telegram channel. We'll be offering something very good there also. We'll be updating all the things there also. So see you in Telegram channel, and please do subscribe our YouTube channel also. Thank you so much. Bye bye.